Hi friends, Ernest here. Today we will talk about how to use Canva, the designing software. And this is for beginners. And if you already used Canva and you're an expert, please close it over here because this is meant only for beginners. Now, as you know, the best way of learning is to teach. So when you teach more, you are going to learn more. So that is what I want to do now. I want to teach you so that I will be also able to learn more about Canva. Okay, so let's go into the Canva and see what all we can do and how to use it and where all we can use it. If you are in affiliate marketing, Canva is one of the most useful tools that you'll ever get. So your friends, we are inside the members area of Canva. Okay, Canva, you can see here, you have, this is the earlier designs which are on top, and this is the home, and you have the file. Pick whatever you want from here. And you also have the templates, the elements, the uploads, the photos, the text, the audio, and the background. And if you want more, you can even have other things like create something new, discover contents, etc. So let's go to home. So in home, you have again what you want to do. Everything is over here. Like if you want to create a video, or you want to create a Facebook post, or you want to create a logo, or you want to create a banner, Facebook cover, presentation, YouTube thumbnails, because for YouTube you have to put the thumbnails, and this is the one which will be very useful for you. Then other than that, you also have this YouTube channel art, A4 documents, cards, flyers, posts, photo collage, cards, social media, and so on. So many things you have. So this is going to be just one designing software that is more than enough for you to do anything you want. You can even make flyers if you are into selling products and all that. You can use the flyers over here. You can make a lot of brochures. You can make banners. So everything is there in this particular software called Canva. And what's good, all this comes free to you. And if you really want more designs, n number of designs, then you can go in for the pro version. But to start with, you can start off with the free version. You can become an expert, and then you can think of going for the pro version. So let's go to your projects. So this is the home. Then here, these are the projects. Whenever you do your projects will be always there. See, it's all there. This is a cloud based. You did not have to install it. For example, like this you already made, so it is here, and it will also show on top what are the designs you already made. It will show here. Okay, and if it is a free version, it might show Canva here. Okay, in here it will show Canva. So if you have to remove that, then you may have to go for the pro version. But there is no need for it because you have a lot of free templates also which you can use. So these are the templates. You can go to templates. Let us say you want to start off with the thumbnail. Just go to, you can choose here, see YouTube thumbnails. So you can choose. So now it is a blank one. Supposing you want to use the recently used ones, where you already made some designs, so you want to make use of the earlier ones, you can make use of them. But just in case you want something new, you can go to new templates. Okay, you can see all the new templates. So you can see here, this is free. Okay, where there is a, this is all free to use. If you see this, this is Pro. Where there is a crown here, it is a Pro version. So you can't use this unless you buy the Pro version. Otherwise, you can use any of these. You can use this. Oh no, I'm sorry. This also you can't use because you can see that Canva behind. You can see that Canva behind. So if you want to remove this, then you have to go for a Pro version. Instead, you can go for the one which doesn't have. See, this doesn't have. So there are many like that where you don't have the watermark. Okay. Since there is no watermark here, you will be able to use this free. So now how do you use this? Now, for example, you want to change this product review. You want to change it, you can change this by just going back, and you can, let us say, Dominic's review. You can just click it, you can just type it there like how you type in your Word. Okay, Dominic's review. Then you want to change the color, you can change it here. You can choose this and you can change the color. Let us say you want to change the color to blue or white. It is already white, so let us say you want to change this color. You can see it has changed, the color is changed over here. Okay, and you want to resize it, you can resize it. You can make it smaller, or you can make it bigger. You can make it bold. You can move it around, change your font. If you want to change this font, you can change it. Any font you want, you can change as per your desire. So you can change it over here. This is as far as the templates are concerned and the lettering is concerned. Then you have the elements. With the elements, you'll be able to. There are so many elements. Again, they are free. So you can choose any of these elements and you can put it over here. Just click it, it will come here. So you made an element over here. Okay, now mind you that if this is there, some action, then it will go as MP4. Okay, if you don't want this as MP4, you want it as a PDF, or you want it as a PNG or JPEG, then you can't use this. Even you can use it. If you use it, it will be a still picture. It won't be like this. Okay. Supposing you want something else other than what is over here. Like for example, you want a photo. You can either choose a photo over here. You want to put it here, these photos. Okay, you want to put this photo, just drag and you can leave it here. So you have put the photo. From here you can put the photo. But supposing you want to have your own photo, you want to have yours, then what you can do is, and if it is not available here, any photos that is not available here, what you can do is you can go to uploads. Then you can upload from media. Then your computer's screen will open. Then you can choose from your pictures. Suppose you want to choose any pictures. Okay, you want to choose this picture. Okay, you want to choose this picture. All you have to do is just drag it from here and leave it here. See, it comes. It's very simple. There's no need to even go and choose your picture from your file name and then open it on. All you have to do is just drag it and drop it over here. Okay. See, now it is here. Okay, it is not only comes over here, it is also saved in your uploaded image like this. Okay. So now you want to use it anywhere, you can use this. You're using the banner here or you're using the banner here. Wherever you want to use, you can use it. And if you want to delete it, you just have to press on delete keyboard. It's very simple to use. Anybody can use. Any beginner can use it. It is not at all difficult. It's very easy. Okay, these are the uploads. So all your uploads will be here. You can find all your uploads here for your future use. Supposing you don't want any of these uploads, supposing you want to delete this one, from here you can delete it. Trash. So that will go. So that you will save space over here also. Okay, this is the uploads and photos. As you said, there are a lot of photos, and here also there are photos which are free. You can use it free, and there are photos which will be available only for the Pro version. No? If you see, this is a pro version, so you cannot use it. But you do not have to worry because there are plenty of free pictures available over here. Then text, I've already told you in the beginning. So you can add text, you can add a heading, you can add a subheading, you can add a body text. Here all you have to do is just click it, it will come here, then you can place it wherever you want and you can start typing like how you type in Word. And then you have other things like you can even use like this, just press this, it will come here. So you can change this. Okay, I pressed it twice, so it has come twice. So I deleted that. So now you have the pizza party. So now this pizza party, you can change it to whatever you want. Like you want to make it as my party. All you have to do is make it my party. So this is how you can make your designs. Very simple. So you can choose, this is what I told you, this is from pizza party. You can use globe. You can use whatever you want. You don't want it, you can delete it, and you can use any of these words. These are all free. Most of them are all free. As I told you, you do not have to buy a pro version at all unless you want to really look stand out. Then you have the audio. So now there is already some audio files here. Other than this, you can even download audio files, like the same way I showed you before, uploading the files. So you can even download your videos, audios. So now this is the pro version again. The pro version, you can even go for once where it is free. So you can use it for your audio. Okay. Most of the time you'll be using the audio when you are using a video file. Then the background, you want to change this background, you can change the background to whatever you like. So I've gone back to another blank page. You want to change the background, you can just press the background and you can choose the background whatever you want. You want with a picture, one with a picture, or you want just a background like this, design background, or you want a plain background, you can use it. You can choose. And you do not have to do this in the beginning. You can design it and later on you can even choose the background color. You can choose the background color. Anything what you want. What do you like? So even sometimes after designing, you would like to change the background. You do not have to worry about whatever you already done. It will not go. It is all saved. So you can change only the background and see which background you like the best, and thereafter you can finalize that one. Then you also have other things like editing image. Supposing you have brought an image here, photos. This image, you want to edit this image. Okay, you want to crop it. Okay, so to crop, then you can make it smaller and crop it as per your size. So you can crop it here. You can flip the photograph horizontally, vertically, whichever way you want, you can flip it. Okay. Then you can also animate. So supposing you want to animate this, it will animate. All these things you can do. Lot of work you can do, and it's very simple. If you just go through this, if you just go through these things, you'll come to know how to use it. So simple it is. So this is what is Canva is all about. Very easy. You can use it for your thumbnail. If you are doing affiliate marketing or you are doing YouTube marketing, you'll be able to use this. This is one of the most important designers you'll be requiring. So I think I have covered most of it. As I said, this is for beginners. If you are a pro, then you will have to teach me so many things about it. Okay, then going to the pricing, supposing you want to go on for the pro version, how much does it cost? I will just tell you. As I'm telling you in the beginning itself, it is not required for you unless you start earning a lot of money and you don't mind spending money. Then you can go for the pro version. Otherwise, you need not have to go for the pro version. Yes. So as I told you, free. Everything you need to start designing. Everything you need to start designing. You can see all this. You have more than 2,50,000 or 250,000 free templates available for you. 100 plus designs. Hundreds of thousands of free photos. Invite members to your team. That's another important thing. You can get 5 members to help you design also. You can share with them. That is coming in free version. That is something really good. Then invite members to your team, collaborate and comment in real time. And you also have a 5 GB cloud storage, which is good enough, and you can even keep deleting whatever you don't require to make it more simple or make it really useful for you. Then you also have for 499 rupees. I'm in India, so it is showing in rupees. If you are in any other country, it will show you in your either in dollars or in euros, wherever you are. So it can be billed monthly or even yearly. Yearly means you will be paying less. Only this much you'll be paying. So this is another very good thing about, and I feel that it's really worth it. But then it is left to you. There is absolutely no need for you to buy it as long as you are happy with this. And I am with free version, and I am quite happy with the free version. Probably I'll be going in for this later if I really require it. And this is 2,200. This is for a company where you have to have everything in pro, and more number of people are going to use it. So that's it, my friends. I hope this small video was helpful for you and you learned something. If you have learned something and if you really found my video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and you will be getting a lot more videos and trainings from me very soon. We will meet again. Thank you very much for your patience.